Well, I've actually got it started, but you won't rev. So, any ideas appreciated. She'll run. Exhaust valves opening. I'll lane the mixture off. Rich the mixture up. Quite a different noise out of their thing. Quite a different noise with the air filter side removed. Don't know if that's anything to do with it. I don't know if this is part of the problem, but I made a little cage up and I don't know if this air filter's sealing properly. Could that be the problem?